In this video, you'll learn how to effectively message an eBay seller. This process allows you to ask questions about products to clarify details before making a purchase. Following these steps will ensure you communicate clearly and respectfully with sellers on the platform. Start by opening the eBay website or app on your device. Once you are there, navigate to the listing of the product you are interested in. Scroll down the page until you locate the seller information section. Here, you will find the Contact Seller button, which is typically positioned near the seller's feedback score. Click the Contact Seller button to open the message form. After you click the button, a new window or section will appear, presenting you with options to select the reason for your message. This helps categorize your inquiry and allows the seller to respond more effectively. From the available options, select the reason that best fits your inquiry. Once you've made your selection, you will see a text box where you can write your message. It is important to express your questions or concerns clearly and politely. For instance, you may want to ask about the product's condition, shipping details, or return policies. Before submitting your message, take a moment to review it for clarity and politeness. Ensure all your questions are included and that your tone is respectful. This is important as it sets a positive tone for the interaction. Once you are satisfied with your message, proceed to submit it through the eBay messaging system by clicking the relevant button, often labeled Send or Submit. After sending your message, wait for the seller to respond, which will appear in your eBay inbox. It is advisable to check your inbox regularly for any notifications or replies from the seller. Maintaining respectful communication throughout this process is essential as it fosters a good relationship. Additionally, consider saving important messages for future reference, especially if they contain crucial information regarding